everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia, and today we're doing a new makeup look. What else are we doing? I don't know, maybe something in the future. But right now, today, we're doing a new makeup look to complement my wig that I just purchased. You guys know my previous videos. I have very short brown hair, and I just wanted to try something different. So I bought this wig. I have another one on the way. Just kind of fun stuff. I get to try new things, and I'm going to show you guys this makeup look that I decided to do. The bangs are a little long, so you can't quite see my eyeshadow, but I'll push them aside a little bit so you can see it. It's a green and purple look, and I thought it was really nice to go with this wig and this look, and it's just kind of fun. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to go in is with my primer. I enjoy the Benefit Professional Primer. I really like this primer because, to me, it smooths out, well, it smooths out all my pores. It fills all my pores, so that way it's just a blank, easy, non-textured canvas that I get to work with on my face. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty concealer. I like doing a little bit of concealer underneath my foundation and then on top of it as well. And that's kind of mainly because I don't have any color correctors to, you know, a little bit of dark circles. Not much, but just little. And my lips a little dark. I have super dark hair that grows constantly, and it's just too much sometimes, so there we go, a little bit of. And now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation. Now, if you're wondering, my Anastasia is 230N and my Rare Beauty is 160C. And I just put my foundation on this little tray, and then I go ahead and tap my finger and just go in the places that need to put enough of it on. And then I just take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and just tap it on nicely. And my neck does not tan much like the rest of my body, so I got to bring the foundation down just a bit. I kind of just use the excess that's on here. I always like to make sure I'm going all the way into my hairline. Although in this case it doesn't matter much. And now I'm going to go back in with my Rare Beauty concealer and just get those pieces. Now, I typically use a little bit of a darker concealer. I tend to go with Jeffree Star's C11 for my concealer, which is much darker than this. It's closer to my foundation color, but I don't have any of that. Mine's all used up and it's dried out, and I am waiting to get mine from, well, I purchased it during the Black Friday sale, so hopefully I'll get it soon. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and use my One Size setting powder. I have translucent, and I really like this. I've used it a few times since I purchased it. When literally the day it came out, I was going to Sephora. I'm like, sure, why not? There we go. I like using this big poofy brush. think it goes on really nicely. I just like the way that it sits on my skin, and I definitely recommend it. Alright, and now we're gonna go in with my Precise Brow Pencil from Benefit. I really like this one, and I just like trying new brow products. And I had run out of my other one. I'm gonna tilt you guys just a little bit and zoom you in some. Hopefully I catch this on camera. If not, we'll just fast forward to the brows are done. And then I'm gonna go in with the Gimme Brows. Alright, we're done with the brows. So there we go, my brows are done, and I'm going to try to do my eyes or bronze. Bronze or eyes? Eyes or bronze? Bronze or eyes? I think I'm gonna bronze, and then I'm gonna do the eyes, and then I'll do blush and highlight and everything afterwards, okay? I like going in with a bit of a smaller brush for my bronzer. And I am using the e.l.f. What is it? Forever Sunkiss bronzer. As you can see, I already hit pan. I like this bronzer a lot. Have you ever noticed, like, one of the major problems, well, one of the major problems I have while doing my makeup and particularly filming is that I'm tall, so I'm like up here, but then the desk is so low that I'm like at a camera. When I look at my mirror, that's here. By the way, let me zoom me out. But yeah, so I tend to have to zoom out because my mirror is literally like, it's not that tall, and not a lot of mirrors are like super tall unless they're the wall mirror that I have right there. I'll put a picture of what it looks like, my whole setup right here. But yeah, it kind of makes it a little difficult when I'm doing my makeup because I wanna focus. It's hard. Struggles of being a tall person. I am like 5'9.5", 5'10", 5'11", somewhere around there. I'm tall. My brother is 6'4". My mom was 5'10". She's now shorter because she's older. And my dad was like 5'11". So we're all kind of tall. My brother's like a giant. But yeah. Okay, now that we have the bronzer on and everything, I am going to start with the eyes, and I'm gonna go with my eye primer from Anastasia. I really like this one. It's not super sticky, like it's sticky enough, but it's not sticky to the point that you can't blend. And that's what I find. A lot of the primers that I've gotten in BoxyCharm, they're all too sticky for me. Alright, so today, you know what I'm wearing at the end of this. I took my little color wheel out. I use this when I'm not sure like what colors will go best with something, and since the wig is purple, its direct complementary color is a yellow green, and then the tricolor is green and yellow. Obviously yellow green, and then it's green and yellow. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and use my Blood Money palette so I can complement what my hair color will be. I'm not exactly sure. You guys know what my look will be, but I'm not 100% sure I know what it's going to look like, and I'm still thinking on stuff. But here is the Blood Money palette. It's absolutely beautiful. I've been using it quite a bit, as you can see. And I might do something with the Bloodlust palette too. So let's just get into it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the look, and then we'll talk about the different colors when I finish my look, okay? Okay, so this is the finished product of my eyes. So the lashes are from ColourPop, the Hocus Pocus Boss Switch lashes. And then let's go over the shadows and everything else. So like I said, I used Blood Money mainly for the top part. And the colors I used in this palette are Chameleon Fetish, Crocodile Tears, I used Black Card Limit on the outer corner, and then the cut crease I went in with Poison Ivy, Emerald State, and Divine Intervention. And from the Bloodlust palette, I ended up using Pink Magic and Wet Jewel to top over the cut crease just to give it a little bit of a purple shimmer on top. And then on the under eye, I used Blood Queen and Vivid Mood. So that is everything. I'll do a real quick close-up of my eyes. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the rest of the face. I'm going to finish off my bronze and contour with the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise. I got this in a BoxyCharm. And I'm just going to go in with this third shade here to chisel out my cheeks. Alrighty, so I blended out these little guys real fast, and then I went down and did a little bit of contouring, bronzing down here, giving a little bit of the color shadow effect under my chin, because sometimes you kind of blend that out when you put on foundation. So I just kind of enhanced it a little bit, and then a little just under the lip on my chin to where those natural shadow dips are. Then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe blush palette. I love this thing. It's the first thing that I bought from Morphe, and I definitely recommend this thing. And I think I'm gonna go in with Free right here. And I like going in right on the apples of the cheeks. And then blending it out. And then I think for the highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Lick My Glit Extreme Frost. See that Extreme Frost? It's really pretty. Just shines really nicely. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the lip. I'm going to do a nice lighter purple color with a green shimmer on top. So I'm going to be using I'm Royalty and Druglord to mix the color because I don't have Blow Pony. And this is the only purple I have. So, and then I'm going to go over top with Peach Price Tag to keep that green and purple look going. Kind of setting my base here, and then I'm gonna go in with Druglord and lighten it up. Okay everyone, how do you like the final makeup look? And let's switch it up real quick. Alrighty everyone, so this is the final look and I really kind of like it. I think it looks really nice. The bangs are still a little bit, like I said at the beginning of this little thing, I cut the bangs a lot because they were hanging like way down to here on me. When I first bought the wig, I cut them, but I think I need to cut them a little bit more. They're just a little bit too long and they're literally sitting on my lashes. But yeah, other than that, I really had fun with this. I think the green really complements the purple and I'm loving the way the lip looks and I just really like this whole thing. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and please go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm uploading semi-regularly. Hopefully. I want to keep posting videos. I may change the content a little bit, you know, do some social media more focused videos, but I don't know what I'm going to do. But go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I have both my beauty account, which is Beautiful Healthy Day, and I also have a social media account, so if you want some tips posting on social media, optimizing your bio, stuff like that, go ahead and follow me at natalia.dc.portal on Instagram and I'll see you there. Have a beautiful, healthy day, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!